So we're gonna repair this nail right here from inside wall, and that's a puncture through. So what happened is this tire is gonna go. I'm gonna have to order new tires. The car. So we got a flat, not flat, we got a nail in the tire, and I'm gonna check all 4 tires. But this nail, I found it from inside this tire, and you cannot really see it, and pressure's still good. So I'm gonna pull the nail out. Start the car. What are you doing? I'm gonna check all the tires first. All right, go back. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Slow. Stop. So that's the nail right here. Go forward a little bit. Stop. That's the nail right here. From inside and the side wall. So nobody gonna be fixing this. Go back more. I'm gonna check entire tire. Go more. Go more. Go more. Okay, stop. Let me do the back one. You go forward now. Go forward. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Let's see what's going on here. Alright, go. Forward more. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Okay, I'm gonna check this side. Alright, go back, Swole. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. And we're gonna check this tire. Alright, go forward, Swole. Keep going. 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 Okay, stop. Okay. You're gonna go back. And when I tell you, you're gonna turn the tire. Stop for a second. See, it has a patch already. And a patch in this tire, so that's gonna be second hole. Go back. Go back. Go back. Keep going. Stop. Go back. Stop. Now turn the tire this way. Go back a little more. That's fine. Go back a little more. Okay. Turn tire this way. And go. I said stop. Did I tell you stop and turn the tire this way and come this way? All the way. All the way. Turn. Turn your steering wheel. Stop. Go back. Go back. Go back. Stop. So that's the nail right here. All right, turn it off the car. Yeah, so I'm gonna fix this nail, and I'm gonna see if this nail going through. You can come out. I'm gonna take up pliers.
Wow, it's a big nail.
Yeah, we don't know.
From where though? How many?
From the street. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this.
Mark it?
I'm gonna mark it right here. way I know what's going on.
Shelby's in the car.
It's okay. So I make a mark. So I know this nail is right here.
But the tire is still keeping pressure, right?
Yeah.
You can still drive.
Yeah, but if this nail pops out on a high speed,
It's gonna blow the tire up.
it's gonna deflate the tire.
Yeah, and then you don't want to drive on a deflated tire. Oh my god.
Yeah?
That's not good.
That's what I'm talking about.
You have to do it fast.
Okay, go get a pump. Go get a pump.
This guy a pump.
Any pump.
The yellow one?
Yeah. So, yeah, you wanna get that pump? Yeah, you can pump it until tomorrow. What's wrong with you? Electric pump. Get electric pump. So we're gonna repair this nail right here from inside wall, and that's a puncture through. So what happened is this tire is gonna go. I'm gonna have to order new tires, but meantime I'm gonna do repair so I can drive. I got this repair kit, and what I'm gonna do is first we gotta make the hole bigger. Once we make the hole bigger by using this tool, we can put that actual patch like a worm here. I'm gonna show step by step. So this is the nail. Looks like a roofing nail from the roof. Could be anywhere. So the step one, you make the hole a little bit bigger. As you can see, they already leaking air. So I'm gonna put just one worm and see if it holds. If it leaks out, then I'm gonna put two. This is the worms right here.
Worm.
Yeah, they call it like a worm because it looks like a worm. Right now it's hot, so it's everything kind of sticky.
So you just put that in the tire and block?
You put it on this tool. You put a lot of glue. So I bought the glue too.
You use that tool?
Yeah, we're gonna use this tool right here. And wipe it. Everything looks like leaking here. That's the tool you're gonna use to put the worm. I'm gonna use a rubber cement to make that permanent, so it connects together real hard. Get another paper towel. So what you do is you put this worm inside here, just like that. You have to get it all the way through, halfway. Just like that. See the halfway? And you don't have to do this, but this has become more permanent solution. I buy this separate rubber cement. And just put this glue around. Plus it's gonna help lubricate, so it comes in real easy. So you take that thing off, start leaking. You put this in. You have to work it in. See? You went in. Push a little bit more in. Then you hold this thing. And that thing should come out. See? That's how this works. So now, yeah, we're gonna have to see if you got any leaks on it. So you go get a soap bottle, bottle with soap, and we're gonna spray on it, and we're gonna see if any bubbles come out. But first I'm gonna cut it. And cut it like this, and that's your patch. I'm gonna bring a soap bottle. That way I know exactly if it's fixed permanent or not. Soap is the best, but you can use regular water. Let's find out tomorrow. So far it's good. See? No, it's only one hole. So we're gonna pressurize it. What's the pressure on it? I don't think I even lost anything. That's your pump. First I'm gonna check the other side. That way I got exactly the same pressure for 4 tires.
Where you gonna check it?
Yeah, we got it synchronized.
If they're not synchronized, what happens? Car is gonna be on balance or something?
Car is gonna be, when you start braking, you might spun out a little bit. Okay, and when you accelerate in the snow or water, it's also going to be not right traction. Plus gas mileage is going to be different. If it's low, it's going to eat more gas. So the front one 34, almost 35, and it's a hot weather. Got a little button here on the side. You can release it. It's just like a memory. So this one gonna have to pump a little bit to make it even. You can make all 35 all the way across. You're gonna pump all the tires, same air pressure. That way it's gonna be better. This one 36. One tire a little bit more. So we're gonna see what's going on this one. This one is only 30. So what you need to do is you pump a little more until you get close to 36. Then you can also bleed it out if you over pump a little bit.